guys, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm a little bit busy. Sana all. No. Honestly, I'm not busy. I need to relax because I have 1 week left. Yes, here in Denmark, and soon to be continued new life in Philippines. Happy new life. Yeah. At siya nga pala guys, thank you to all of you to stay to my YouTube channel. So hope that I can have more video. Yeah, just continue to watch my video guys, and see you soon, Pandanhanon. Thank you to all of your prayer and support to my YouTube channels guys. Hindi ako magkakaroon ng yung subscribers kung hindi dahil sa tulong nyo, at sana'y you always there to support me. Yeah. And thank you for everything. Yes. God bless you all. And I hope that you can see my naughty face in person. Yeah. And I wish that I can have a little bit relaxing in life. Yeah. Because all of my life, guys, since young, since 7 years old until now, I work hard. Yeah. And I want to have a silent life with full of enjoyment with friends. Yes. And see you. You know who you are, right? And I hope that someday I can see all of my kids. Yeah. All of my kids. Yes. Yun. Sa aking mga pamangkin, mga mababait, sana continue to be nice and keep praying. Yes. And I hope that we can have happy bonding together. Yeah. With Tita Ni. Yeah. I love you all guys. See you, and I love you to all of my families here in Philippines. Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.